We have all three units put together around 110 people. This is Stark Motors.
Right.
The other one is Stark Engineers. That is also within your software only.
Right.
And apart from this, we have one more job shop industry. So we cater into tailor-made models, not something which is available in the market.
Okay.
So we have around 3,500 electrical design students. We have very good R&D setup. Spread out in all industries to minimize our risks. We are into food and beverages, we are into bakeries, we are into hydraulics, pneumatics, the general machine tools, crusher industry, textile mills. This industry is mainly B2B. 80% in India, sir, and 20% of we export to few countries. We export to Japan, we export to Spain, and apart from that, 3 more in Arab countries.
Okay.
We have close to around 60-65 suppliers. TranZact is my 7th ERP. When I came into this industry, I developed my own ERP.
It is on site?
Yeah. So starting from material invert to invoice, I have developed. We need back-to-back traceability here. We have to. We do supply to oil and natural gas people also. So there, the demand is for at least 5 years. I have to maintain my records, the retention period.
Okay.
So my maintaining a manual record is a very cumbersome. Your website had all the prerequisites which is needed for an manufacturing asset.
Okay.
So found that details were more than enough.
Okay.
Back traceability is a primary objective. So that was there. Bought one license, 10 days we used, we bought another one for our other unit also. We found yours to be pretty much easy to use in a manufacturing environment. In purchase, store, production. Okay, our industry traceability is of utmost importance. Finally, we are doing they have captured it. If you are into manufacturing, blindly go for it. To call it as a tool, which helps me to manage it better.
Yeah.
In fact, manage the purchase process better.